All right, team, we're here with Shant at one of his listings.
Yes.
And this is what we call a buyer's inspection.
Correct.
That's happening right now.
Okay, so just to bring you up to speed, we got the property, we listed it, we marketed the property, we showed all the property, did all our marketing, all the full exposure. Now we chose a buyer, we're in escrow, the buyer's deposit is at the escrow company and they're within their investigation time period of 14 days.
Okay.
So now we're doing the inspection, they're here, there's 6 individual homes here, and they are in the process of going through the units.
Okay. Now, is the seller here?
No, the seller's not here.
And
we're here on behalf of the seller.
On behalf of the seller?
Yes.
Typically, a buyer's inspection takes how long?
I mean, it really depends. Each buyer is different. You know, we could do a 30-unit building in 30 minutes, and then sometimes a 5-unit building can take 3 hours.
Right.
So it just really depends on the buyer and what they're looking for. So
Now, I've noticed the buyers here.
yes,
We've had the buyer's inspection here.
correct.
And they're all one by one walking into each unit with their inspector inspecting.
Correct. And there's 2 people going through the units. So they're trying to work as quickly and diligently as possible.
Sure.
So we don't want to interrupt the tenants more than we need to.
Got it. And typically, do you just kind of hang out here until they come approach you and ask you any questions that they may have?
No, I mean, we typically go with them, walk through the units, but we like to give them their space so that they can,
Themselves?
yeah, chat amongst themselves and, look at whatever they need to look at.
Got it. Now, after this inspection is finished, the buyers then go back to their offices with their inspection report.
Right.
What happens then?
Nothing. They get to see what they're buying. So
Okay.
that,
There's obviously an exchange going back and forth at that point.
yeah, there could be, but I think we're pretty much in an as-is situation right now. So
Okay.
what you see is what you get.
That's fantastic. I love that. So thanks for giving me the opportunity to tag along in this buyer's inspection. A lot of great information. I know you probably have to get back to this inspection, but congratulations on getting this far. And let's close this deal.
Still preliminary, but we're on the track to closing. So
All right. Right on.
fantastic.
Thanks, Shant.
All right.